Welcome to the TURI Alternatives to Solvents and Auto Shop project. We have assembled some alternatives for auto body and repair shops to trial in removing grease and oils from their car parts. So we'd like to welcome you. There's Rhoda, Jason, Joy, and Maria with TURI, and this is Mike, who is here with the Division of Labor and Standards in Massachusetts. And we're going to walk through and show you some of the alternatives that we brought here today. Each of the alternatives here have been tested for their performance specification, an efficiency of 0 to 100% to show how efficient they were in removing oils and greases from materials. The coupon was weighed when it was cleaned, then the oil and grease was put on it, it was weighed again, then the cleaning process took place, and then it was weighed again, and they could then measure how much oil and grease was removed. Also been ranked for environmental and health and safety on our P2 Oasis system on a ranking between 2 and 10, 2 being the most environmentally friendly. It's called AcraStrip, put out by a company called Polychem, and we've been working with them a lot in supplying this product to body shops that use it in their paint gun cleaner. A nice efficiency rating at 92% and a very, very low P2 Oasis health and safety rating at 2.4. This is one that can go in the paint gun washer and be filtered and used over and over again. And this is a water-based product. So we have CV100, a bio-based product. It's got alcohols, alanine, and a sodium salt. And this one has a fairly high efficiency rating at 96%, wow. And a nice low P2 Oasis ranking at 3.6. These two products here have been options for body shops in cleaning their paint guns. And we have found that there has been significant reductions in odor in the shops and a significant reduction in cost because these products can be used over and over and over. They just filter through the paint gun system and they can be used over again. This one can be used up to 6 years. This one is about the same, 6 years. So as opposed to the lacquer thinners that are changing out constantly and having to dispose of as hazardous waste, these can simply be filtered and used for quite a while. So this product is called GRIME Off, and it comes in a wipe that pulls out of the container. It's moist, and this rates at a 92% efficiency and a 3.6 on the environmental health and safety scale. It is a non-solvent degreaser that we can just wet a rag. This one ranked at a 3.3 on the P2 Oasis chart of 2 to 10. It did rank a little bit lower in the efficiency, about 4%. It is biodegradable. So ZEP has a whole green line of products, and this was the one that was closest to a brake clean alternative. And a lot of the shops that we've worked with have specifically requested a aerosol can to replace the aerosol brake clean that they're used to using, so they don't need to do a dip tank or use a wet wipes. And so this one, instead of being solvent-based, it's soy-based. Although this one ranked on our P2 Oasis at 4.89, so it's getting a little bit higher on that scale, so not quite as environmentally friendly and health friendly as the other products we just tried. And we're also comparing, I should say, the brake clean that I mentioned rates between a 6 and a 7 on the P2 Oasis scale, so that's sort of our benchmark comparing these two. This one is called Oil Vanish, and this one is one that the shops that tried it definitely liked it quite a bit. It does have a high efficiency at 93% and a nice low environmental health and safety rating at 3.1.